This video is going to cover backing up your control definitions, machine definitions, post processors, and your config file for your Mastercam installation. I'm going to go to Windows Explorer. I'll just go into my documents, and in here what I'll do is right click, go to new. Let's make a folder called MCAM Backup. This is the folder that we're going to put all these files in. Inside this folder, I want to create some other folders. I'm going to go to new folder, and we're going to say mill. Lathe. What we're doing here is adding folders for each product that you need to cover as far as backing up files. The majority of folks have lathe and mill, but some others may also have wire. You may only have wire. You may only have router. This is the last one we're going to put in here. Basically what this is going to do is allow us to back up the post processors in the correct products folder, in the backup folder here. I'm going to move this screen over and let Windows 7 split it for me. I'm going to go to Windows Explorer once again, go to my local C, and I'm going to go into my MCAM X. Once again, I'm going to take this screen, slide it over, and let Windows 7 split this for me as well. The files that I want to back up into my Mastercam backup directory are going to be the CNC machines folder. I'll right click, drag this over, and say copy here. My CNC machines folder has quite a few machines in it. This directory is where your machine definitions and control definitions are located. Next, I'm going to come down to, let's go to lathe. This post directory, if you have custom tools as well, and if you store your NC files in the NC folder, you're going to want to back that stuff up as well. So any of these folders that you know you store files in, you want to back them up. So we go to NC, post, and tools. The NC is where the G code by default in Mastercam posts to. I'm going to take these and drag them to lathe. Well, don't do it like that. I moved them. I meant to right click on them. So I'm going to right click and drag them back over here and copy them. Be sure to use your right click. Now I was using control to pick these individually. We got 3 other products for you to review and see how I do it. Next I'm going to go to mill. Holding my control key, I'm going to choose NC, post, tools. I'm going to right click on those and drag them over into the mill folder. I want to copy here. So if I open the mill folder, I see my NC. There's my G code files that I backed up. Post, here's my post processors I've backed up for my mill. And tools, here's all my tools. The reason for doing this is so that we can quickly override the default installation files on a new computer. So we'll do the same thing with router. We'll grab tools, post, NC, right click, drag it over router, copy here. We'll hit back over here, and we'll go to wire. Just do the same thing. I mean, essentially, you could take the whole folder and drop it in over here as well. Um, in the wire, you may want to hold your power settings and copy those, your post, and your NCI. I'm sorry, your NC. We're going to drag that over into wire and say copy here. Then the last folder that I'm going to want to copy is going to be my config folder. And this is in the root directory of my Mastercam. I'm going to back up here. You see this config folder? If I open that, this holds all my configurations, um, key mapping files, several different files here. So what I'll do is I'll just take that folder, right click, drag it, and copy here. I've now backed up all of my necessary files to be able to move those files to a new computer or maybe another computer.